Whether you're using it to record memories, keep track of travel itineraries, or jot down observations while on the road, the Travelers Company Traveler's Notebook is an excellent companion to bring with you wherever you go. Keep watching to learn about the different Traveler's Notebooks and the ways you can customize them. Get your toes wet with the Traveler's Notebook Starter Kit. Each kit includes a cotton sleeve, elastic band, leather cover, and a blank notebook featuring Midori MD paper. They come in regular and passport sizes, as well as black, blue, brown, and camel leather covers. Traveler's Notebook refills are available in 5 styles: lined, grid, blank in white, blank in cream, and dot grid. The dot grid notebook is actually a reticle grid. All refill notebooks are made with Midori MD paper, which is bleed resistant, feather resistant, and fountain pen friendly, providing a pleasant writing experience. You can also get an undated planner refill for your Traveler's Notebook. Choose from monthly, weekly with memo, weekly vertical, and daily planners. Only the monthly and weekly planners come in passport size. Travelers Company also releases dated planners each year if you'd rather not write in the dates yourself. Crafters and artists should consider these specialty refills: Sketch, which is smooth and heavyweight; Lightweight, featuring ultra-thin white Tomoe River paper; Craft, for those who love scrapbooking and a rustic feel; or Watercolor paper, which is thicker and more textured than the Sketch refill. You don't have to limit yourself to just one refill. We recommend filling up your Traveler's Notebook with no more than 3 or 4 refills. There are multiple ways to include additional refills by using the connecting bands. Click on the card above to learn about the different ways to install multiple refills. Travelers Company offers an assortment of accessories to pair with your notebook and make it entirely your own. Pick and choose from these accessories: binder, brass clip, card file, connecting bands, double-sided stickers, film pocket stickers, craft card file, craft file folder, large pocket sticker, pen holder, pocket sticker sets, repair kit, sticky notes, 3-fold file, and zipper case. There are so many different ways to use a Traveler's Notebook. In this section, we'll recommend some of our favorite pens and accessories that pair perfectly with the various refill options. If you're a fountain pen aficionado, we recommend sticking to Midori MD or lightweight paper refills as they're fountain pen friendly. The Kaweco Classic Sport fountain pen pairs wonderfully with a Traveler's Notebook. Compact when capped, yet comfortable in the hand when posted, it's the perfect everyday carry writing pen. If fountain pens aren't your style, opt for Uniball Signo UM151 gel pens. They provide a smooth writing experience and outstanding ink quality. To give your writing a sense of flair, try out a Pentel Fude Touch Brush Sign Pen. The pen tip offers good control while drawing varying line widths, making them great for beginners and experienced writers alike. Finally, the multifunctional Midori Clip bookmarkers are a fantastic addition to any collection. Not only do they elegantly mark a spot in your notebook, but they also double as stencils for drawing cute shapes. If you love scrapbooking or recording memories, craft paper refills are for you. Traveler's double-sided stickers work great with these refills. Simply stick them where you want to paste postcards, ticket stubs, or other memorabilia. Consider adding a white gel pen like the Uniball Signo Broad UM153 or paint pens like Pilot Juice paint markers to your arsenal. Use the markers to bring a splash of color to your pages, and the white gel pen for finer details that pop against the paper's earthy tone. For a final touch, decorate with Hisago washi tape and flake seal stickers, ideal for creating matching labels, page spread themes, and charming accents. For planner addicts, we suggest dot grid and planner refills. Pinebook Free Diary washi tapes let you create a customized calendar for scheduling. Since the tapes are micro-perforated, you can arrange them in your calendar or spread however you like. Gel pens like Sakura Balsai Knock gel pens offer a wide range of vibrant flowing ink, making beautiful planner spreads a breeze. For a charming aesthetic, Nombre Mizushima Jizai clear stamps come in a small size that's ideal for the columns of a planner. Plus, they're see-through, allowing you to see exactly where you're stamping. If you've got Pilot Friction Natural highlighters on hand, their muted colors can draw attention to dates or events without overwhelming the eyes. Because friction ink disappears with heat from friction, you can easily fix stray marks. Artists can't go wrong with sketch and watercolor paper refills. We love using Uni Mitsubishi Hi-Uni pencils in these refills, as they draw rich, dark, and even lines. They even come in a selection of 22 hardness grades, so you can choose a pencil to your liking. If you like watercolors, you'll love the Sakura Koi watercolor field sketch set. Made with the on-the-go artist in mind, this convenient and sturdy case includes a refillable water brush. It offers a broad range of vibrant, easily blendable paint pans, so you can always mix the color you desire. More than just a journal, planner, or sketchbook, the Traveler's Notebook is a keepsake you'll look back on for years to come. What will your next adventure be? You can shop all of these products and more at jetpens.com.